By default, the push command doesn't transfer our tags to a remote repository. We have to explicitly push them. So let's create a new tag called version 1.0. This tag is added to the last commit. Let's verify it real quick. Okay, so here's our tag. Now this tag is only available in this repository on my machine. If I want to send this to GitHub and share it with other team members, I have to type git push origin v1.0. All right, beautiful. Our tag is now on GitHub. Let's verify it real quick. So refresh the page. Here we have one tag. Let's click here. On this page, we can see the list of all the tags in this repository. We can click a tag to see more details. So you can see who has created this tag when. And over here, you can see these assets that GitHub automatically generated for us. So we can download our entire source code at this point in time. This is very useful. Now, if we push this tag by accident, we can remove it using the push command. So we type git push origin, exactly like before, but before the tag name, we type -- delete. This is going to delete this tag from origin. Take a look. All right, our tag is gone. So back on GitHub, we no longer have a tag, but this tag is still in my repository. So if I type git log, look, this tag is still here. If we don't need it here, we can simply type git tag -d for delete v1.0.